Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato from AMBRO Manufacturing, and I'm heading out to the shop today to show you another bandana job that we've got on the press. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Let's take a look. Here we're doing a one color discharge print on orange bandanas. We've got our first round loaded up and ready to go. I'm going to bring you over to the screen where we've got the discharge ink loaded and printing. There's the first print strike coming out now. We're going to put that on the dryer. Very nice look to it. Wait till you see what it looks like when it comes out the other end. All right, so there it is wet. I'll take a look at it at the other end shortly. Loading a new bandana. Squeegee is flooded and ready to print. Here goes the print. Let's take a look. And new bandana under. Print down. Flood for next bandana coming around. Bandana being loaded. This is how we do the production. That one's off. Here comes the one that needs to be put on the dryer and on the belt with the other one. And let's go to the other end of the dryer and take a look at them coming out. All right, here they are emerging from the dryer. And you heard me say, hey, let's take a look at what that's going to look like when it comes out the other end. You'll notice it is a lot different because the discharge chemical reaction has happened, and that is the Pantone color that the customer requested. That's dry and ready to ship. Let me reach over here, pull it out for you. Look at how beautiful that looks. Exactly what the customer wanted. Now I want to compare this. We're going to go back to the other end. Let's take a look. Just to refresh your memory, that's what it looks like when it's going into the dryer. Not exactly the color it's going to be yet compared to what it looks like when it comes out, discharged, dry, and ready to ship. So if you're looking for custom bandanas, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Our minimum order starts at 36, and we can print up to thousands of bandanas. We take plenty of orders, 72, 144, 300, whatever you need, we'll take care of it for you. Give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey.